So maybe you might see some relaxation, then continuation either ways, or maybe core, but I don't want to see this level taking the high of the last month. If that happens, then it's signaling that dollar might start gaining strength. There are two things that will happen: either we go up massively or we drop down into the weekly FVG, then continue going up. But for this, we might get market to go up into this weekly FVG. But if that happens, I would like to see market take the low for me to start getting bearish. I would really love to see that. Or on the daily time frame, start seeing the candlestick psychology aligning towards bearishness. But for now, I'm not seeing anything bearish for now. Let's be see market close bearish inside of this and then closing maybe 50% of this other block below 50% body close. Then I would like to now go down towards this level. But for now, there's nothing bearish. There's nothing bearish for now. Nothing. So we wait until we start seeing candlestick psychology aligning towards bearishness. And for euro, you see that there's no signs of candlestick psychology heading towards the bullish side, so we are still bearish overall. We are still bearish. The candlestick psychology saves you a lot of bad mistakes. And when we look at GBP USD, we will notice that we took previous day high, but yeah, to close bearish. Even though this is already giving you signs of that might still continue going up, but then look at where is at fair value gap. So I want to see this high taking for me to now say okay, we'll continue going up. I'm not seeing any reason to say, oh, I am bullish in DXY. No, I've not. And I want to see this high maintained, but even if market takes this high, I want to see how markets react after taking this high. That will tell me a whole lot. It will really tell me a whole lot whether I have to start targeting markets coming towards this level or not. So, because this doesn't change anything, everything is about fundamentals and what the candles are telling you. It's very, very, very important. So hello guys, welcome to what you anticipated versus outcome. So you guys could remember I said I wouldn't want to see this high here taken, but if it's taken, then we'll start looking at how market react to know if we're going to get to somewhere here. And as you can see, market took it close body wise, and then you could see how even though rangeable kept going up. So I also even talked about us getting into this weekly FVG, and then this is where we'll get to, and then we'll start seeing this range point up the weekly order block. If you look at Euro USD, I told you guys when we were here that there is nothing bullish about Euro USD, nothing. And as you guys can see, I actually talked about that if we're going to go down, that we're going to get down to this level, this weekly FVG, and you could see how we entered here, and then we have been ranging inside of this place. Now for GBP, remember telling you guys that I want to see GBP going up if we see this high here taken, and as you can see, candlestick psychology still aligning to the bearish side, and then you could see where we are now, daily order block. So yeah, that's it for the outcome of what we anticipated last week. So see you guys on the weekly outlook. Enjoy. Tell them we run this town, we represent, we've always born like ground.